are walking into Beach Club Villas now. So this is the drawing room. Just a nice little lounge area. And there's even a pool table. And then across the hall is the breezeway, which is another little lounge area. It's so cute. All right, here's our room.
Yeah. Like an outlet, yeah.
All right, when you first enter the room, the bathroom is on one side over here. It's a single sink open to the room across from the kitchenette. Oh, we've actually got good like plates and stuff. There was the toaster. The stuff up at the top was things that I purchased and had delivered, but the other plates are with the room. Microwave, sink, and there is the coffee pot. Down here, it's actually a pretty good sized mini fridge. Okay, so I already showed you the sink area, and then bathroom is actually pretty big. And it has a nice heavy door separating it from this open area. Okay, into here, there's a bed here. This is actually a fold-out couch, and that's the balcony. I'll have to show you guys that in the daytime. Down here is a table, but it actually converts if you push this button here, and then there's one on the other side, so it's really probably a two-person job. It will actually fold down into another twin-size bed, which is actually pretty cool. So to open this, you just have to push these two buttons, and then oh look, it's Donald! Oh, and look, it's the lighthouse, like when you take the boat out to take the boat to Hollywood Studios. Oh, that's so cute. So there's not as much storage as some other rooms, but it's really clever. There's a drawer here in the ottoman and one on the other side as well. There's drawers in the nightstand, which are pretty big. Another place that there's some nice hidden storage is next to that fold-down bed, the Murphy bed. There's two kind of narrow but deep drawers on each side. So it's nice to have that extra storage in this room. All right, now that it's daytime, let's take a peek at the balcony. You can tell I did not pay for a premium upgraded view. It's fine. The balcony is actually pretty big. There's room for a chair, a table, and then another chair. Mr. Smart Mouse and I just hung out last night and had a drink while the kiddo fell asleep. So it's a nice place to just kind of chill out, relax a little bit if you're here back in the room. It does not have the privacy of some of the other balconies that we've had at deluxe villas, but overall, still pretty good. We had a good stay in our Beach Club studio villa. Beach Club is still just a great location. The amenities are really nice, and the location can't be beat. So thanks for following along on our studio villa tour of Beach Club, and I can't wait to share our next adventure with you guys. See you soon.